I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to BigCommerce can seem tricky, but it is pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Log into your BigCommerce account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the BigCommerce login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open the account settings menu. This is where you can manage device connections. Step 3. Navigate to device management. In the account settings menu, find and select device management. This section allows you to view and add new devices. Step 4. Add new device. Click on the Add New Device button. You will need to enter the device name and type, then follow the prompts to complete the connection process. Step 5. Confirm connection. After adding the device, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on it to finalize the connection. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. Now you're all set. Connecting a new device to BigCommerce is easy once you follow these steps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy selling!